My name is Emil. I was a banker, but around 12 years ago, I found that banking is not the most interesting industry anymore because the world is changing. So how to change the world? Because of the internet. Because of internet, the bank will be displaced, diminished, and centralized. Okay, so throughout the past 12 years, I'm helping startups like EDNS to generate their value so that we can play an important part in the new ecosystem. So that's me, Emil Chen. All right. So, as you know, web evolved from web 1.0 to 2.0 and then now 3.0. So when I was working for the banks, 1.0 means you can only transfer the data from one direction. And 2.0, that generate a lot of value out of what? Out of user-generated content. So that's why we have Facebook, we have TikTok. But you might not aware that if you created a lot of content, very valuable content, but for some reason, maybe political reason, maybe financial or due to competition, the intermediate company has the sole right to remove you from the network. So we are looking for a better solution, so which is Web 3.0. So in the 3.0 world, the community will govern the ownership of the content, and you can transfer value from your side to your friends or to the business partner without the intermediaries. So that's mean as I said, banking is no longer so important in the future because we do not need an intermediaries, parties such as the banks. For sure, we still need banks in the future, but the role of the banks will be different. So they will be part of the ecosystem that creating trust between the Web 1.0 or the traditional one, Web 2.0, for example. Yeah, so EDNS is amazing. For less than a year, we have already generated a large number of users over the world. So not only EDNS is a company focusing to transform Hong Kong's Web 3.0 infrastructure, but EDNS serving the whole globe, so that we can extend Hong Kong's service to the whole world. So that means without Web 3.0 or these days the Metaverse initiative, Hong Kong remained as a domestic market or traditional service provider. But with EDNS and the other players, in the ecosystem, or the other startup or the sizable company, they embrace Metaverse as well as Web 3.0. I think the future of EDNS will be quite prosperous. Okay, so thank you very much.